Hello, in this video I will show you how to download and install WhatsApp mobile app on your computer. Now it's a very easy process. Firstly what you have to do is you have to download an application called BlueStacks. So just simply search for BlueStacks on your browser and then open the first link. Now don't click on this option over here, just simply click on see all versions and over here scroll down and over here just simply choose Pi 64-bit or Android 11-bit. And if you have an older version of Windows, scroll down and choose Hyper-V, which you can find over here. And if you have Mac OS, you can also do that. Once you have downloaded the application, just simply install it and restart your computer, and then it should appear on your home screen. And the application will look something like this. So open the application. So it might take some time when you're opening this application for the first time, so be patient. Now, once your application starts, you will find the interface something like this. So over here, if you will notice, I already have WhatsApp installed. So let me show you how you can do this too. All you have to do is click on System Apps, then go to Play Store. Now make sure to sign in with your Google account in this Play Store over here. Now after you have completed the sign in process, all you have to do is in the Play Store just simply search for WhatsApp. Then open WhatsApp over here. And now just simply install the application just like how you would do in your Android or iOS device. And then just simply sign in with your number and then you're good to go. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.